Working principle. After the motor is energized, the stator generates a magnetic field due to electromagnetic induction, and the rotor magnetic field generates phase repulsion, which triggers the rotor to rotate. And the hardware transmits the rotational parameters of the motor to the controller, which decides whether to energize the coils, passes the forward and reverse electricity. When the brake handle gives a signal to the controller will cut off the power supply to the motor, and at the same time, the physical brake will brake the tail. The motor stops rotating. Parameters involved in a motor. Power mainly includes input power and output power. The input power is derived by multiplying the voltage and current of the motor, and the output power refers to the actual power output of the motor. Speed refers to the speed of rotation of the motor, generally expressed in terms of how many revolutions per minute. If you want to convert kilometers per hour, you need to multiply the tail circumference. Usually, we will directly calculate the speed of the motor for customers to choose. Torque. The torque is externally reflected by whether the motor is strengthful or not. In the case of other factors remain unchanged, the torque is inversely proportional to the rotational speed. That is, low rotational speed with high torque, while high rotational speed with low torque. Hub motors can generally be loaded up to 80 to 120 kilograms per motor, and the geared motors talked about in this video can be loaded up to 300 kilograms per motor. Some hub motors can reach 300 to 600 kilograms per load. Voltage and current. Voltage is used to match the battery. Current is equal to power divided by voltage. Motor accessories. Controller, turnbuckle, brake, LCD display, battery, and charger. Product introduction. Take 16 inches as an example. An Italian customer wants to make a 4-wheeled pulling truck, and the load requirement is relatively large. This motor is a geared brushless motor, which has the characteristics of high torque and slow speed. The speed of this motor can be 5 to 12 kilometers per hour, and its torque can up to 100 Newton-meter. The maximum load of a single motor is 300 kilograms, which can do single and double axle. Usage. It can be used for kart, monocircle, and quadricycle. Other accessories. Controller. It needs voltage and power matching. Handbar. Part of the handbar needs for voltage matching. If there is no voltage, it can also be used. The definition of the line needs to be confirmed when using. Brake basically can be used. LCD display voltage matching need to confirm with the controller whether the communication protocol is the same, because customers cannot confirm that they have the communication protocol of the controller they have, even if the appearance of the same. They may also not match. In order to avoid trouble later, it is recommended that matching purchase. Battery. Need to confirm the customer's installation size and how long you want to work on charge. In addition, we also need to confirm the battery type in order to avoid different types of accessories do not match. Charger. Usually purchased batteries will be equipped with a charger. Need to confirm whether the plug can meet local requirements.